Hello, this short video presentation is about domain and range. You can think of domain as the allowable x values, the x values that work, and range is the y values. Now when we do this, you can slide a piece of paper from the left side, we're doing domain first, from the left side until you hit the graph. On my x-axis here, I'm at negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I can make a mark right here at negative 8. And from that point, my graph continuously is drawn. So my domain starts at negative 8. We use interval notation that we learned before. Starts at negative 8 and goes to positive infinity. Now for my range. Starting on the y-axis, the negative side, I slide up until I hit the graph. Right there I hit the graph. Where is that? Positive 3. Right here at positive 3. Check that again. From right there up 1, 2, 3. So my range goes from positive 3, and it keeps going up and up and up to positive infinity. All right? That's all there is to it. Anything to the left of this line, there's no graph. Anything below this line, there's no graph. All right. Now let's look at this. This is just a line. But because this is continuous, the arrow means I hit it everywhere. Range, it hits it everywhere. Everywhere that graph is, my domain is from negative infinity to positive infinity. My range, likewise, negative infinity positive infinity. Now, this is a parabola, and notice that although the graph goes down quite steeply, it still continually goes in this direction. So eventually, the graph is going to get over here. And it's going to be continuous, and eventually, it's going to hit this line here. My domain is all real numbers, so it's negative infinity to positive infinity. My range, we start down here, and because it's going to the left and it's going down, it starts at negative infinity, but it's going to stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, right here at positive 9 is where it starts. And then everything below that line, my graph hits. My range goes from positive 9, my bad. Start with the smaller number, negative infinity to positive 9. All right, one more graph, and this is a piecewise function. You're going to do a lot of these next year. Here, it's broken up. My domain, and I forgot something here. I needed a dot right there and there. Ah. All right. Now, a couple of things here. One, the arrow means, of course, it goes on forever and ever. The dot means it stops. The open circle is just like when we graphed on a number line this year. And we went like this. The open circle means this number was not included. Closed circle meant this number was. So, what we have here going left to right, negative infinity up until this point. But as soon as I hit this point down here, my graph continues to here. But when I slide over, I'm not hitting the graph anywhere. So my graph goes from negative infinity to negative 2. Negative infinity to negative 2. All right? Then it starts up again at negative 1. We slide over, and it starts up again right here and continues forever. So my domain goes also from negative 1 to positive infinity. Now this symbol here, it looks like a capital U, but it's not. Not really, anyway. It means union. But it's large, and it always goes straight. But it's done much larger than your letters would be. It means union. You're joining together. All right. Now our range we go from negative infinity to right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Range goes from negative infinity to negative 9. Union one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. right here, -6 to here, right there. But we don't hit that point. It's everything above it. It's not that point up to here, which is -2. So our union, -6 to -2. But we actually hit 2. It's a closed dot. So we have that. Union there, we hit it at +1 and it's gone. Union basically it's everything from 1 to 1. Union, and again, we start 1, 2, 3, 4, and go up forever. Because it's an open circle here at 4, we use the parenthesis 4 to +infinity, and we're done. That's it. Domain and range, no work to show. Look at the picture, draw the domain and range. All right, I'll talk to you later. Have a great rest of the weekend. See you tomorrow.